Hello guys, I hope you guys are good. I'm okay. I want to share something with you. I was at Umkhosi Womhlanga Reed Dance hosted at Enyogeni for the Majesty, the King, Mrs. Zulukazi Litini, Sabona Ezimbali, Zesizwe Sakazulu. It was a beautiful event. Ne? But there's something I took from the event. By the way, I'm taking this video from a Ford, courtesy CMH Proton Umgeni. Check them out. And okay, before I'm going to story Sami, let's please sing the national anthem. Okay, so yeah, even the English part of the national anthem knocks me sometimes. Never mind that. We all have our flaws. Also, never mind that guy who looks like Shaka Zulu just below the king. Now, I'm going to play the video right now. Why it was important and a lot of people missed it. So the king says here, Abelungu, Amandia, and everybody is now welcomed to join and be part of the Zulu nation. Similarly, in in Africa, not everyone who's African was born in Africa or is originally from Africa, but we all Africans. We're all South Africans, but not everybody was born and was initially a South African. So the king is saying, as much as we are Zulu, born and everything that is us is Zulu, now he's willing to incorporate other races to join and be part of the Zulu nation. What do you guys think about that? Here's the king.
Sikwazi ukuthi unamaqhono la kwaZulu bangamazulu unabathembu la bangamazulu siyehlukana ngokwamasiko kodwa sonke singamazulu siyafisa ukuthi ke ngalokhu okwakhiwa ilembe kungami singabalahla belungu mabefuna ukuba amazulu kulungile abeze nawo sandi sizwe namandiya ngokunjalo nina besilo siyafisa ukubona iAfrika ibumbene.